Ngayon, kukuha tayo ng sambong dito sa malapit sa amin. Ang sambong ay nakakagamot sa kidney, nakakatunaw ng bato. Pag uminom ka ng sambong, mabilis kang palagi kang iihi. Tapos gamot din sa ubo, sa sipon. Yan, healthy sambong. Yan, makita ninyo ang dahon ng sambong, para siyang magaspang, mabalahibo. Yan, tapos dikit-dikit ang sambong. Gagawin ninyo, kukuha kayo ng dahon, tapos ilalaga, mga 5 dahon ilalaga. And kapag namamaga naman yung halimbawa rayuma, pwede nyo dikdikin tapos itatapal yung sambong. Pwede rin po yun. Salamat po. God bless you.
The morning light, where the sun ascends, I find the goodness of God. It never ends. With each breath I take, a gift of grace. In His boundless love, I find my place. Through every trial, through every test, His goodness abounds. It's the very best. In the highs and lows, in joy and strife, God's goodness shapes the tapestry of life. God is good, oh beyond compare. In the morning light, where the sun ascends, I find the goodness of God. It never ends. With each breath